Hi, Trojan family. Hi, boys and girls. I'm Miss St. Jean. Guys, are you ready to do some letter sounds with me? Come on. Look at my words and we're going to sound them out. And remember, we are learning about zoo animals. Are you guys ready? Come on. Hi, guys. What animal is this? Did you guys say it's a gorilla? It's a gorilla. Guys, look at this word. What does it say? What is it missing? What animal did we say this was? That's a gorilla. What letter does the word gorilla begins with? Sound it out. G, g. That's right. It begins with the letter G. We have letters down here, and we're going to look for the letter G. Can you guys find the letter with me? This letter right here, is that the letter G? Let's see. We're going to put it right in front of the word and see what happens. Does that say gorilla? Let's read it. That says w. That's the letter W. It says willa. Is that the letter G, friends? No. Let's see. We're going to try this letter next. What letter is that? Does that say gorilla? That says m. That's the M sound. It says morilla. Is that gorilla? Nope. We're going to try this letter next. Let's see. Gorilla. It says gorilla. That's the word gorilla. Wow, friends. Thank you for helping me. And now we're going to go to our next picture. Guys, what is this animal right here? That's a zebra. We found a zebra. And look right here. What word is this? What does that says? It says zebra. And we need a z. What letter do we need for it to be a zebra? Let's look on the table and see. We have the letter. What letter is this? That's the letter V. And we're going to put it in front of our word. What sound does the V makes? It says zebra. Is that zebra? What letter are we looking for? Let's see. We're going to try our next letter next. The letter, what letter is this one? That's the letter H. And it says Hebra. Is that zebra? Let's see, friends. That's not zebra. Let's try this one. What letter does that says? That says zebra. We found it. It's zebra. Let's see which other animal we have. We have this animal down here. What animal is this one? That is a panda. And it says panda. And what letter are we looking for? Let's see. Are we looking for this letter down here? What does this says? This is a D. It says danda. Danda. Does that say panda? Does that make the P sound? No. Let's see. We have one right next to it. This says panda. But then we have another word right here. This is a panda. What? What word would this be? I think that says bear. That's a panda bear. But we have the letter, let's see. We have the letter H. And what sound does that make? Is that the b? Is that the B sound? Let's see. Here. Hmm. We need the letter. Let's see. We need the letter B, B, B to make the B sound. And that says panda bear. That's a panda bear. Wow. Thank you guys. You guys helped me so much. Let's see what's the next one. Wow. What is that big one? That's a rhino. That's a rhino. Wow. Do you guys see? Rhino. What letter are we looking for? I see the letter I. Let's try putting this letter. And let's see. It says Aerono. Aerono. I don't think that makes the R sound. Let's see. Let's see. Guys, what else would make the R sound? Rat! Wow! Rhino! We found it! Wow, let's see what's next. Whew. Did we do the gorilla already? Let's try this one. Let's see. We have this one. What is that called? That is a seal. Yes. And what sound does the seal make? Can we look on the table? What else has a seal sound? Can you guys think of anything else? Snake. That's right. I could think of something else. Sneakers. So what are we looking for, friends? Did somebody say the letter S? We're looking for the letter S. Let's see if we can find it. I see it. I see the letter S. Let's see. We're going to put the letter S right here. Did you guys say that's not the letter S? What letter is this? That's right. That's the letter M. And what sound does that make? Meal. That's not the letter S. Let's see. I think I found it. I think I got it this time. Let's see. Did you guys say that's the letter S? Let's read it. Feel. Is that the letter S? Feel? No. Let's see. We got one more left. That's the letter S. Seal. Yes, guys. Let's see. We're going down the line. What is this guy right here? That is Mr. Zebra. That's not a zebra, Miss St. Jean. That's Mr. B. That's not Bear, Miss St. Jean. Who is he? He has a long neck. That's Mr. Giraffe. I see his name, but it says Giraffe. Let's see if we could figure out. We're going to put the letter G. Giraffe. Well, in this case, guys, the G makes a silent sound. Let's see. Giraffe. Giraffe. Miss St. Jean, that's a F. All right. Let's see if we can find the G. I'm going to put the G for sure this time. Giraffe. Miss St. Jean, that's not giraffe. Let's see. That's a C. That's the letter C. Let's see. Giraffe. I have one more letter. That is the G. Giraffe it is. We made it. And now we're going up here to this big guy. Who is this big guy? Who could tell me who this big guy is? That's Mr. Bear. Hi, Mr. Bear. We need Mr. Bear. And what letter are we looking for with Mr. Bear? Let's see. We have Mr. Bear. Let's see. Who else could think of a something that starts with the letter bear? Bees. What else? Guys, what else? Bat. Did you guys say the letter B? You did. You guys got it. That's Mr. Bear. Let's see. We have Lion. Mr. Lion. There he is. Let's see if you guys could see this one. Lion. What does lion begin with? Who could tell me? Does he begin with the letter lion? That's right, guys. He begins with the letter L. That was a great job. Is this the letter L? Let's see. I'm going to put the letter L right here. Is that lion? Let's read that one. It says iron. Wow, that's not lion. That's the I sound. Let's see. I have the letter C. Does that say lion? That says cyan. That's the k sound. Let's see. We're going to put this letter. We got it. It says lion. And roar like a lion. Roar. Let's see, guys. We have some more. What is this guy? Yes, you guessed it. He's a tiger. And what sound does the tiger makes? Did you say the T sound? Where is the T? Right here? Is that the T? It looks like a T. Let's see. That says jigger. Ooh, is that tiger? That says jigger. Guys, can you think of another one that starts with tiger with this letter T? Tie. When you tie your shoes. That's right. Let's see. I see it. Wow, that says tiger. Yes. Thank you. Guys, we have another one right down here. Can you guys see him? Who is this big guy? Ooh, that's Mr. Elephant. That's Mr. Elephant. Well, guys, an elephant. What letter is that? Can anybody guess what letter makes the eh? Let's see. Did you guys say the Y? That's a yelephant. That's not the E. We're looking for the E. Did you guys say we were looking for the E? That's right. We're looking for the E. Let's see. Wow, we found it. Elephant. But guys, I have another letter right here. Can I also put this right here? Would that complete? Yes, that's the little E. That says elephant. Whew. Guys, thank you for helping me with my letter sounds. And I think we forgot one. We forgot Mr. Gorilla. Did we forget Mr. Gorilla? I think we forgot to put the letter G up there. Wow. Thank you, friends. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.